With the introduction of USB-C to the iPad Pro, October 30th, 2018 marks the day that Apple killed the Lightning port. USB-C will be the standard for Apple's mobile devices, if you will, which I consider the iPad and the iPhone to be mobile devices. I expect to see USB-C on next year's 2019 iPhone. With this USB-C, as you know, you'll be able to charge other devices through that port, which they made mention of at the Apple event. You'll be able to hook it up to a external monitor, which they showed at the Apple event. And we can assume you'll be able to hook it up to keyboards, mouses, probably have a docking station, and you'll be able to use it to hook up to external storage. And since obviously USB-C has ability to power devices, I assume you'll probably be able to hook up some external drives such as a Blu-ray player to watch Blu-rays, especially if you're still into physical media. I think that'll be a good way to watch your Blu-rays, maybe even your 4K Blu-rays, etc. You're probably just gonna have to download the VLC player, and you should be able to watch your Blu-rays or what have you if you're still into physical media. And I'm still a proponent and supporter of physical media. You don't have to worry about companies pulling media, censorship, those type of issues. But yeah, I definitely expect USB-C to be standard next year's iPhone. And today marks the end of the Lightning port with Apple. Obviously, USB-C is better. It's becoming a de facto standard. Android is on the MacBook, fine on Windows devices. It is what it is. The time is now. I'm glad Apple didn't come out with another proprietary port, because this means it has a universal kind of connection, and is also a way to show that iPad is becoming more of a computing device. And I definitely feel that, hey, your smartphone is essentially your laptop, and your iPad is your new can be your new desktop device, if you will, especially with this USB-C, especially when you have the ability to essentially dock it